Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you and thank you for watching. And to my non-subscribers, show me some love and hit that subscribe button. For the first craft, you're going to need two dowels, a 6-inch dowel and a 12-inch dowel. We want to cut the 12-inch dowel down to 4 inches and 8 inches. And these fish. I love these fish. They're so cute. You want to sand this writing down on the fish. You will also need some nautical rope, some twine, a foam block, which I plan to cut to about right here, some wood glue, some Waverly's antique chalk paint, or antique wax actually, and some sheepskin chalk paint. So sand this down and cut your dowels. Okay, after you cut your dowels, you want to take, I want my fish to be like this. So I'm going to glue 1, 2, 3, fill these in with wood glue, and I'm going to hold it closed because I want this fish to go this way. I'm going to glue one fish like this, another fish like this, and the other one, I'm going to keep it flat. So just spread it out. Put some glue, you don't need much in there. Just make sure you get it in the cracks. Try to wipe off the excess glue. And after it dries, I'm going to sand it a little bit just to get the excess glue off. And I'm just going to put some tape on there just to hold it in place. Now I'm not going to be curved that much. In the meantime, put a little bit of glue on the base of the fish and put your dowel flat on there. Okay, while my wood glue is setting up on my fish, before I cover it with the twine, I'm going to paint my block. This is going to be my bottom, this is going to be my top, so I am going to paint all of my top and my bottom because I don't want this. I'm going to wrap jute all around here, so I just really need to cover that, but I'm probably going to go just a tad bit down. Okay, my wood glue has dried, and I'm going to tell you guys something. If you're going to buy wood glue, buy the Gorilla Glue. That's with Gorilla Glue. There's no hot glue on this one. I just held it for a little bit and it worked great. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take your twine, and I'm just going to glue right there, and I am just going to start wrapping it around. I think they came out so pretty. Okay, the next thing is to wrap twine or jute around this. Now what I did with this, you need to poke your hole in first, figure out the placement of your fish, poke your holes, and then I filled in, I just put a thin layer of the spackling on there, and then I painted it. So then grab your jute, and I'm going to start at the top in the corner, and then I'm going to wrap it all the way around to cover the sides. And then after when I'm done covering it with jute, I'm going to put some hot glue in the holes and put my fish in there, and then we'll be done. And this is how these fish came out. I really love the stained look on them. Could have did a better job on my bottom, but I still love it. On to the next craft. For this next craft, you want this Faith Can Move Mountains wall sticker, this mason jar wall decor. You want to take the stars off, get rid of your glitter, take these out. I'm actually going to save it. I am going to use these. And I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to paint it with chalk paint white. You also are going to need one of these glass paint brush markers, or maybe a paint pen or a black Sharpie. And either some ribbon, twine, foliage, not sure where I'm going to go yet until it's painted and I get my sticker on. Okay, the next step is to take your twine, and I'm just going to wrap it around a few times around here. So now you want to take your sign and very carefully you want to cut the words "can move out." I'm going to place, when it's finished drying, I am going to place the faith right here, the "can move," and the mountains. Now I know the little, I don't know what those are called, is not going to fit over all the way, so I'm going to trim these down. And now that my sticker is on, before I Mod Podge it down, I'm going to take this gloss paint pen and I'm just going to draw a line like the mason jar line. Might do something up there, but I do plan on putting a bow and some foliage, so I'll probably leave that, but I do want my line around there. And after my paint pen dries, then I'm going to seal it with Mod Podge, attach my bow, foliage, call it done. And there is the finished project. I could have did a better job on my bow, but what's more important is the message it says. On to the next craft. For this next craft, you want this Keep Life Simple. Some foliage. I'm using boxwood that I think came from Walmart for maybe 97 cents. This paint pen that I just love. And this adhesive cork sheet. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to put my flowers in here. So this is going to be my top. I am going to cut this to put it in here, but I want to leave a border of white. This is 4 inches. So I'm going to cut my adhesive square to like 3 1/4 and put it in the middle. So cut a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 square and place it in the middle. Well, not yet. Don't place it in the middle yet because we're going to write on it with our paint pen. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my pen. I always test it out on a piece of paper first. I just love these paint pens. And I am just going to write "Hello Sunshine" on here. Take my adhesive off, put it on there, trim my flowers there, trim them down to fit in there, and set it up. I love this little sign. I think it came out so cute. And I did not have to tear this up, so I can always take the foliage out and put it upside down. Until next time, everyone, stay safe and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.